Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little, grabbing inspiration for fall and stepping in to the kitchen and sprucing up some things. I'm just going to share with you some of the items that I love around this time to keep everything tidy and clean. And yeah, so let's do this quick little walkthrough and then we're going to go ahead and move over to the kitchen. So stay tuned. Yes, I did. I did go ahead and pick that beautiful wreath up. It is so cute. I love the apples on it. And I'm going to go ahead and use some things that I've already, that I already have. So I'm going to use those and tie it in. I did pick up some things from Dollar Tree as well. And it does tie in with the autumn theme. So I'm just going to use those things and just go ahead and place that there on the stove. It just adds a beautiful touch. I have some pumpkins that I picked up from a discount store in my local area, and I'm just gonna use what I have and also add in some new things too as well. So I absolutely love these containers here, these storage containers, and they do come in handy when you have quite a bit of storage containers. It is just also easy to use them and it does keep things tidy and organized. I will always be using some type of Microsoft cloth to go ahead and clean with, and I cannot go without my bleach and water ratio. So this is a corner I'm going to grab and just kind of embellish it a little bit. You can use what you have or, just add in a few pieces. I like everything affordable, so yeah. And so this was a gift, and I'm thinking I was going to put it there, but I think that it's a little too big, and I really don't want to burn it at this time. So I think I probably will add in another type of candle. But here's the floral arrangement that I'm going to be putting together too. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those small miniature pumpkins in, and they're so soft and cuddly and cute. So I'm just going to add those into the vase there and give it a go and see what I come up with. All right, this is one of my staples. I love this stuff right here, okay? Whether I'm using it to wash clothes, clean, brush teeth, it's amazing, okay? That's all I can say about it. I wanted to go ahead and use the scoring pad and the baking soda to break down the soap residue and just get everything all clean. Sometimes, you can kind of forget that area, but I like to do this no more than 10 days. And this is how it looks. So if I'm not able to do it once a week, I do want to make sure I do it within that 10-day period. Okay, so now you can see. Let's go ahead and grab a new one because that one, it's seen better days. It's old, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace that one, and that's the outcome. Okay, and that's what I'm looking for, and yeah, so that's a little corner I wanted to give fall, but not too much. Okay, just a little bit, keeping it simple. And yeah, that's what I'm going for. So the sink is nice and clean. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and shine it up and polish it up and just make it look, shiny, because that's what I'm looking for. If this is your type of content, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It only helps my channel, and I will highly appreciate it. Okay, this is the shot right there. That's the clean I'm looking for. It's shiny and it's clean. Everything is polished, and that's how I like it. I wish it could stay like this all day, but we'll just be cleaning again because that's what's needed and that's what it takes to keep, a clean environment. And yeah, so I just decided to rearrange a little things over there and to my liking. So if you watch my channel, then you will see that some of these things I already used last season. So yeah, this is one of my favorite time of the year, and fall, autumn, harvest does it for me. This is the floor arrangement. 1, 2, 3, so quick and easy. I love it. This is where the video is going to end. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I'm going to get on out of here. I want to thank you for watching. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Bye bye.